Here's TSLA Tesla. Clear downtrend for a while now, ever since this candle here on December 22nd. You're at 498.83, the high. Look at this go down. There's been some bounces. Look at that cross. Trend down. From this trend line, you can see it's 30%. Get closer here, 27% on the low line. So you're going down. You're at 349 right now. Now you have a low line coming from 2024. Connects with 2025. You know, could we be going to about 300? It's possible. Then you have an even lower line right here. You see stochastics here, the high, you know, goes down, bounces. Each high pretty much is going down. You draw your line right down here. Look at this. So you're definitely in this tight channel down. Look at this going down. Weekly chart, pretty much all red candles. Now, this first time you're actually touching right here, you're at 389 stochastics, actually even. It's been all red over what you had that little move here, and finally, you know, could we get getting close to a bottom? It's possible. A lot of charts are like this. Is the market going to happen? With the market, something going to happen where we get some sort of relief? Something, you know, good's going to happen with Trump, Iran. We'll see. You're on the monthly chart. You're still going way down here. This is talking back in December. It's been crossed over red over white, so it's all been bearish. You go out to your time frames. You go monthly, you know, weekly, daily, and you know this is going down. So that's where we're at. Any move up, you look for a trend line. That's it. You keep going to this trend line, and if you do get a bounce 349 to like 380, and then you see if it breaks through, that's a good sign. So that's where we're at on Tesla. What happened today? Let's take a look at it. You know, near 368. Look at this drop on the 5-minute. You have this little bounce. You drop again. It's all short. Draw some lines here. You know, all short on the way down here. Now, make it a little bit closer on this line. So once it's cleared this, you have this big red candle. Down, you tried to bounce. Right here was that red candle. Down, you tried to bounce again. Right here, and eventually it hit this double bottom, came right through. You want it to clearly go out of, you know, the trend line right here. So once you clear this, go down, you bounce, go down again, then you're out this way, and you can see it start to go up. On this move down here, this was a move down. It's only one candle, so that doesn't really do nothing as far as going long. You know, this, when you have a trend down, like on not the stock market, but individual stock, you have to see what's doing in the market, but this has been going down. Even that little move was nothing. I mean, you could flip long, excuse me, and try to get in, but then you just go right back down. So if a stock is trending the whole way for a while down, just stick short until you have a clear break. See, this clear break, it starts to go up. And you notice the 10-minute. The 10-minute was all short too. Ever since pretty much pre-market, you're going down, and then you clear. See, it started to go up here. You can use different time frames too. It's important to use different time frames. You know, if you're in and out fast, then you probably don't need it. If you're up here short and you're taking profit here or even here, you don't need it as much. If you're holding longer, that's the key difference here. Tesla.